Hello, I'm Robert. I needed some repairs done, waterlogged, and needed to be torn off. And I wanted a solid solution, something that would last for a while, not just 5, 10, 15 years. I called in a few other contractors. They gave me their ideas and prices, but Jacob seemed to be the most solid of all the crew in terms of what he wanted to do. And as you can see, the tile work is beautiful here. And this took a little while for the tile to come in. That's why the project was delayed by about a month. But the tile work is great. The tiles work out fantastic. Once I decided on the tile, Jacob ordered it for me. Same thing with this door here. I need to replace the door because the lentil, the base lentil was going bad. Again, leakage issues. He put in a new door. His crew worked very fast. No, not fast. They worked well. And I don't use the word fast. I don't like it because it could be made as a pejorative. They worked in a nice, considered pace. And I think it shows on the deck and the door installation. The roof also, it was time to replace the roof. It had been a few years. And so I inquired if he did roofs, and he said yes. He had some subcontractors I guess he deals with, and they did an excellent job very quickly, as a matter of fact. The roof was done within 2.5 days during the rainy season. And well, we've had a long rainy season this year, but he did it during the rainy season, and anytime there was a threat of rain, he made sure that the guys came out and tarped it. So very pleased with it. It looks great, as you can see by the photos probably. I heard about Jacob online. I was looking through contractors. I had already, as I said, had a couple come out and give me quotes. But Jacob's work, as I said, was the most solid of all of them. I could just tell by the way he wanted to do the work and what he wanted to do. It just wasn't, a one-day job. And get it done and get it out, collect the money and go. So he wanted to do a good job. They did do a good job, and it was very thorough, in my estimation. Anytime that I had problems with the subs or his employees, they do arise, Jacob handled them very quickly. Any breakage that did occur, and there's always breakage on one of these projects, I'm sure, as you know, or you should expect it, Jacob handled very quickly and expeditiously, and I have no complaint about it.